Hey girlfriends, this is Slime Fat Lash Girl Melissa, and you know what? I want to show you something about your under eyes. Now, I have been working really hard with my under eyes, and I want to show you what I'm doing because I'm 63, closer to 64, coming up in September. So these are some products that are tried and true to me, and one of them is not, we're not going to use a concealer, we're going to use something totally different to go under here. Now, this is one of my favorite new products from Younique. Love it. It's squalane oil. Absolutely wonderful under your under eyes. And my under eyes are not perfect. Look at this. I got the darkness and the bags, okay? But we want to take this to where it's a very soft look under our eyes. So this is one thing that I use first. This is my favorite little eye cream right now. This is actually by Natrium. I think that's how you say it. It says it's so tiny, it's right there. But it is a multi-peptide eye cream, and it helps to plump up. Yes, plump up. So if you're really struggling under here, you will love this. And I've already put it on. And basically, I just take it and dab it right here where all the puffiness is. And then I go get some coffee or something else like that. And you know what? I come back and this is how it looks. Now, I'm not perfect. I want you to see this. I'm not perfect at all with the under eyes. And I know we have varying degrees of bags under our eyes. So, but what we're going to use today is something that I did like last week and I had forgotten about it, but I want to share it with you here. And I think you will really, really like it. So I was doing my ladies' night on Facebook this past week, and I was using the BB cream. I was using Younique's BB cream. And I actually used these two products on my face. Absolutely beautiful finish. It was so pretty. And then I got to thinking, you know, I have Fairlight, which is the lightest one, and then I have Light. And I wondered if I mixed the two together, what would that give me for my under eyes? Because this is a natural moisturizer, and it's beautiful on the skin. So let's try it under my under eyes. So that's what I did. And so I had my little dish here, and you can see that I put a little bit there and a little bit here. Now, what I did was I mixed these two together, just like this, on the plate. I think I did it on the back of my hand. You can do it on the back of your hand too. The best thing, if you don't have a plate or anything like that, your hand will not absorb this, okay? Anything you put here, you can mix together and it will not absorb. So let's take a little bit of this. I don't need that much, but I wanted you to see the consistency of it. And let me kind of pop it right here, a little right here. And I am going to come lightly across here. And see, I mixed together too much. So don't do what I did. Don't do that. Now, you can use a little bit of this if you want to highlight here maybe, or maybe your lip. That kind of thing. You can use some of it for that. You can come across here and take you a beauty blender and just kind of blend it out. I've already done my lips. I don't want to mess them up. I didn't put any on my nose. Let's put a little here on my nose, just a tad. I love these. I don't know where I found these, but I've had them since my grandbabies. That's when I got them. And my grandbabies love eating off of them for popsicles. Yeah, we can go outside. Let's bounce all this stuff in. See how pretty that is? Oh my goodness. Now, you can either use a beauty blender, you can use your finger, you can use a brush if you want to. Let's try a brush real quick with it. I like to use a brush. Let me see if I can find the one that I need. The one I love is Angie's brush. Here it is. This one here, this A506 brush. Really nice, really soft. And just take your time and just kind of bounce it across. Because what I'm going to do, you're going to hear my dog. My husband's still, he's in there. But I want to make this little video for you. Let's bounce it across. and bounce it over here. We're just smoothing it out. Now, I do love to bring some of it down through here, just because I like the way it opens up and it brightens my skin. And you don't have to use a brush. You can actually use your fingers if you want to. You can come across like this and pat it in. I always look up and just kind of, oh, it feels so good. And then I let it dry. We're going to let it dry, okay? So let me check real quick what it looks like under here. I like to pull this out because guess what? If you've got lines like me and you pull this out, girlfriend, you are going to take that little pinky and you're going to just kind of push all of that out of those lines, okay? Now let me check this side. Same thing. I'm old. I swear. How did I get to this age? That's what I want to know. Now, I like to let this dry just for a few minutes. Let it do its thing. And then I will come back, and if I need to add just a tad more, like in this area here, because see, that's where my puffies is. So, let's give her a rest just for a second. Go get you some coffee, come back, and then we'll finish up. So now I want to show you one more tip. Now you can use a little bit of concealer if you want to. This is Younique's concealer. I love this stuff. It is like the best. It does dry pretty quickly, but it is so darn pretty and blendable. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take just a tad of this and put it in my hand. Okay, right here, like that. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is take just a little bit of this and we're going to mix it together. Yes, you can do this. Did I hear you say you can't? Yes, you can. Give it a try. I think you will love it. Now, I'm kind of looking in my phone here, and so I'm going to put this right where only I need it, okay? And you can see that I have two different areas. So this side is always much darker for some reason. Maybe it's because I sleep on that side. Do you think that might be it? I'm flattening everything out. But take your fingernail and just blend it with your finger, okay? And not the brush. The brush helps in the beginning. But I really do like kind of blending it out myself. And see, I still have some in my hand. But I think your finger is probably the best thing to use here. And, you know, you're not like swiping it. You're just patting it in and pushing it outward. Just like this. If you want to use it and do your both fingers at the same time, then do it. Okay. I love it. Now, I am going to set it with just a little bit of powder. So on this side, this is my hard side. I usually like to come back and put a little bit of light down in this area. And then whatever's left, I just kind of bounce it up. It just brings out the light, and it really does help. Just kind of brighten the face. By no means am I perfect. No, I'm not. But I have one other little product that I do want to show you. Just in case you get really aggravated with your under eyes and say you put on some powder, which I'm going to do, a little bit of powder, and it settles. Now, the Dew Effect, this little product here is amazing, amazing, amazing. And what it will do, I go ahead and I do my powder first. And then I'll come back and I'll go, okay, I need just a little bit of this. And what this does, it plumps up the lines and it absorbs the powder. So, and then you have the most beautiful under eye finish. This I put in my purse and I take with me during the day, because at the end of a day, and you go in and look and you go, oh, I look tired. Put a little tiny bit of this through here, plumps everything back up, and it makes it look beautiful. So to set this and make it bright, I'm going to use Tarte Pink Loose powder and setting powder. And when I open this up, it has a little screen on it, and you can just kind of tap it like that. Come back and there it is. Most of the time I will just kind of grab whatever's on the lid because it does come through kind of thick. But what you want to do is take just a tiny bit. Take a tiny bit. And just kind of dab it across it. Just real lightly. Dab across. And it just keeps this area bright, is what it does. And it sets everything. And like I said, if you come back and you have some settling, which you might, if you have, I mean, I have lines, I have some settling. But it's not perfect. But this is what I've come up that works really well for me. But the dew effect will help you also. If you get too much powder, definitely, it will absorb that powder and plump things up. That's a winning for me, for sure. There you go. Oh, it's so pretty. I'm not perfect, but I'm better, right? I'm better. That's the whole key. I'm just trying to be better. What do you think? I think it's gorgeous. Now I'm gonna fluff my hair up. Fluffing your hair always makes me feel better. Okay, girlfriends, I hope y'all have learned something. At least give it a try. We're getting older and we need techniques, and it may not be super proof, but it's going to look better, okay? And that's what I'm after. And BB cream really does help because think about it now, it's a moisturizer. Plus this one has an SPF of 30, okay? So, thanks for hanging out with me. I love you guys, and I will see y'all next week. See you later.